How to fix website not secure in Shopify. There's absolutely nothing that kills an e-commerce sale faster than a browser flashing a massive "your connection is not private" warning right before a customer checks out. Many merchants assume this is a massive platform glitch, but it's actually a simple communication breakdown between your domain host and Shopify's security layer. Today we are opening your master DNS routing tables to clear out data conflicts and force Shopify to issue your live SSL certificate in under 2 minutes. Okay guys, the first step is we need to jump into your domain registrar backend to repair your primary connection tracks. So you need to log into the account where you purchased your domain, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains, and locate your DNS zone editor configuration panel. So in my case, I have this one, this website, it's called NickUA, and I purchased a domain for 1 year. So as you can see, Joe Tutorials, this one. And in here, guys, you need to just click on the settings. In here, you need to scroll down and change DNS records. Okay, and in here, you can just look at your active record rows. You can find the A record, which is going to be right over here. It's starting with this symbol. It's a host symbol. You can edit its destination IP address string to point explicitly to Shopify's primary core cloud node. As you can see, the data and the IP address is different. So in our case, there's going to be 23.227.38 and 65. This is the primary core node for Shopify. If you want to change them, press on change. And in here, as you can see, you can change the IPv4 address of host. And then next up, we need to find our CNAME. There's our CNAME assigned to the 3W's host name. And you can just edit this pointer to route directly to Shopify's tracking server target line, which is shops.myshopify.com. That's what you need to input in the host alias right over here. Don't forget the dot at the end as well. And then guys, let's also execute the security handshake inside your Shopify administration panel. So while still inside your domain host settings, scan your record tables for any duplicate A records or old web hosting IPs left over from platforms like WordPress or Wix. So just find this trash, delete them, as multiple paths will freeze your security setup. Then we can actually head back to our Shopify admin panel, navigate to settings, and find domains. There you go, right here. And then you just tap on your primary custom domain profile, click the prominent action key labeled verify connection, and watch the system run its operational scan. So of course, don't forget that you need to connect existing domain, which is very simple. Right here, just paste the address. In my case, right, it's going to be this one right here. And you just insert your own, okay? And the database panel status row will instantly transition from a red error marker over to a amber SSL pending track, and then turning into a secure green connected shield within a few hours. That is it. That is your setup, guys. Enjoy your secure website and full functionality. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.